Welcome back. In this video, I will discuss how to apply RSA algorithm to encrypt and decrypt the given message. In this case, we need to use RSA algorithm to generate the public key and private key and then encrypt and decrypt the message, that is m is equal to 2. In this case, we have been given two prime numbers, that is p is equal to 3 and q is equal to 11. These are the steps used in RSA algorithm. We will apply these steps to the given problem and encrypt and decrypt the given message. So in the first step, we need to choose the prime numbers p and q. These prime numbers are already given to us, that is p is equal to 3 and q is equal to 11. In the next step, we need to find n is equal to p into q. P is 3, Q is 11. So, N will be 3 into 11 which is equal to 33. In the next step, we need to compute phi of N. So, phi of N is nothing but multiplication of P minus 1 into Q minus 1. So, P is 3, 3 minus 1 multiplied with Q is 11, 11 minus 1. So, which is equal to 20. Next, we need to find the public key, that is E, such that GCD of E comma phi n which is equal to 1, that is greatest common divisor between E and phi n should be 1. Here we need to choose the smallest E, and in this case we know the value of phi n which is equal to 20. First we will write the factors of 20. Factors of 20 is nothing but the numbers which can divide the 20. Those are 1, 2, 4, 5, 10 and 20. Here we need to select smallest E. So we'll start with the smallest number, that is 2, and we will check whether this number will satisfy this following equation or not. First we will write the factors of 2. Those are 1 and 2, and here the common divisors are 1 and 2, and greatest common divisor is 2. But GCD of E comma phi n must be 1, but here we are getting 2. So this number is not satisfying this equation. So next we will take the next number, that is 3, and for 3 factors are 1 and 3, and here the common divisor is 1 and a greatest common divisor also 1. And here we can see that we need a GCD of E comma phi n must be 1, and here also we are getting 1. It means that this number, that is the 3 number, is satisfying this equation. So we will choose E is equal to 3. Once you choose the E value, next we need to find a private key, that is D, where ED is always equivalent to 1 mod of phi n. That means ED mod of phi n which is equal to 1. Here we know the value of E and we know the value of phi n. Once you put those values here, the equation will look something like this, that is 3D is always equivalent to 1 mod of 20 because E value is 3 and phi n value is 20. Now we will check all possible value of D which will satisfy this equation. So first I will select D value as a 1. So once you take D as 1, this 3D will become 3 and 3D mod of 20 will become 3. So next we will select D is equal to 2. So 2 into 3, that is 6. 6 mod of 20 which is equal to 6. If you goes on selecting the D value, once you reach D is equal to 7, so 3D will become 21. So 21 mod of 20 which is equal to 1. This D value is satisfying this equation. So we will select D is equal to 7. We got public key, that is E comma n is equal to 3 comma 33, and a private key as D comma n is equal to 7 comma 33. Now we need to encrypt the message. To encrypt the message, we use the following formula, that is C is equal to m raised to E mod of n. Here we need to substitute the known values. So here we know the value of m which is equal to 2, value of E which is equal to 3, and n is equal to 33. 2 raised to 3 is 8, 8 mod of 33 which is equal to 8. So we will get the cipher text as 8. So once you encrypt the message, next we will decrypt the message by using this formula. Here also we need to substitute the known values. Here we know the value of C, which is equal to 8, value of D, which is equal to 7, and N is 33. 8 raised to 7 is a big number. For that one, we will solve this equation factor wise. So first we will select 8 raised to 2 mod of 33. 8 raised to 2 is equal to 64. 64 mod of 33 is equal to 31. So next we will take 8 raised to 4, which is nothing but 8 raised to 2 into 8 raised to 2. So 8 raised to 2 value is a 31, which is equal to 31 square. So this is nothing but 961 mod of 33, which is equal to 4. So finally we will calculate 8 raised to 7, which can be divided as 8 raised to 4, 8 raised to 2, 8. 8 raised to 4 value is 4, 8 raised to 2 value is a 31, and 8 raised to 1 is 8. So 4 into 31 into 8, which is equal to 992. So M is equal to 992 mod of 33. 992 mod of 33, which is equal to 2. This is a decrypted message, which is equal to original message what we have encrypted, that is M is equal to 2. So the encryption and decryption is successful. So this is how we can encrypt and decrypt the given message by using RSA algorithm. M. I hope the concept is clear. If you like the video, do like and share with your friends. Press the subscribe button for more videos. Press the bell icon for regular updates. Thank you for watching.